How to fix Snapchat not loading snaps. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the correct way how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone, and here what's next, you have to go to apps, and on apps what's next guys, you have to go to search for Snapchat only. When you found Snapchat, open it like this and then go to storage option, and on storage option you have to click on clear cache. Don't click on clear data, then you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And as you see, this option set as a default, you have to open it, and if you see open supported links not working, you have to allow this option like this, and that's it. After this your problem will be fixed correctly 100%. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.